Crystal waters, lush landscapes, and vibrant culture, Fiji beckons U.S. travelers with its tropical allure. But before you pack your bags, let's dive into what you need to know for a seamless Fijian adventure. Embarking on a Fijian journey requires a visa for U.S. citizens. The good news? The process is straightforward. Apply online through Fiji Immigration or visit an embassy for longer stays. Remember, your passport must be valid for 6 months beyond your departure, and proof of return tickets and funds is essential. When to visit? Aim for the dry season from May to October for sunny days and cool breezes. The wet season brings rain, but also lush greenery. Keep in mind, Fiji's tropical climate means storms can arise anytime, so stay informed. Upon landing at Nadi International Airport, taxis and shuttle buses await. Negotiate taxi fares upfront and consider an international driver's license if you plan to rent a car. Buses connect towns, while ferries and water taxis offer island hopping opportunities. From luxury resorts to cozy guest houses, Fiji caters to every traveler. Hotels offer convenience with meal and activity packages, while vacation rentals provide a homey touch. Book early, especially during peak season, to secure your tropical haven. Don't miss the Mamanuca Island's pristine beaches, Suva's cultural tapestry, the therapeutic Sabeto hot springs, and Natadola Beach's aquatic splendors. For thrill seekers, rafting the upper Navua River is an unforgettable experience. Pack light, breathable clothing, rain gear, and respectful attire for village visits. Sunscreen, insect repellent, and a first aid kit are must-haves. Ensure your travel documents are in order, consider travel insurance, and acquaint yourself with Fijian customs for a respectful visit. Need a visa? Bring your passport and supporting documents. Best time to visit? Dry season for weather, off-peak for fewer crowds. Transportation? Buses for budget, rental cars for freedom, and boats for island exploration. Accommodations? Book early for the best deals on a range of options. Now you're set for a Fijian escapade that promises to be as smooth as the island's tranquil seas. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.